Today we have a simple and imperative recipe with turkey meat, broccoli with delicacies, mushrooms, and cream. For the body and health. In a large skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add diced turkey meat and sauté until browned and cooked through. Toss in fresh broccoli florets, sliced mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Pour in a cup of heavy cream and gently simmer until it thickens slightly. Season with black pepper and a dash of nutmeg for a touch of delicacy. Serve this nourishing turkey, broccoli, mushroom, and cream dish for a delightful meal that's both delicious and packed with nutrients for your body and health. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips.